If you want to remove a transition effect in CapCut PC, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you added the transition by mistake or you simply want your clips to cut together cleanly, removing it is easy once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump straight into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, take a look at the timeline where all of your clips are placed. You want to find the transition icon that appears right between two clips. This little icon is what controls the effect that plays when one clip changes into the next. Click directly on that transition icon to select it. When it's selected, it should be highlighted so you know CapCut is ready to edit that transition. Now, to remove it, simply click Delete on your keyboard. In most cases, that instantly removes the transition effect and leaves you with a normal cut between the two clips. If the transition doesn't disappear right away, make sure you click the actual transition icon and not just the clip itself. Sometimes it helps to zoom in on the timeline a little so you can clearly see the transition marker. Once it's deleted, your clips will no longer fade, slide, or animate into each other, and the edit will look clean and direct. This is especially useful if you want a more professional, fast-paced style or if a transition feels too distracting for your video. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to remove a transition effect on CapCut PC in a fast and simple way. If this tutorial saved you time, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.